guys, we're going to do a Celtic Knot inlay in this piece of maple that I have. So we have the template on here with the double-sided tape. I'm going to take our router, and I'm going to use a miniature router bit. This is from Amana. These have a little plastic coating, or I'm not sure what this is, some kind of wax on them. Drop it in and tighten it up. You're going to want to adjust your bit, so it has a little guide on here. Now when I'm doing an inlay, I don't like to go very deep with it because you're just using more epoxy, and this cuts a lot easier if you don't go as deep. If you work your way along the template kind of slowly, don't pry up too far on it. It'll pull right off and you can reuse this thing. That we were using did a really nice job on this. You can see it's nice and clean. You shouldn't have to really clean up anything with a sander. You might want to finish sand your piece, but that's about as good as it gets there.